Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very special person in my life. She's my mother. My mother's name is Josna Khatun. She is the most caring and loving person I have ever known. My mother wakes up early in the morning and does all the household work. She cooks delicious food for our family every day. She helps me in my studies and teaches me good manners. Whenever I feel sad, she hugs me and makes me smile again. My mother always tells me to be honest and kind to everyone. She works hard every day, but never complains. I think mothers are real superheroes. She is my first teacher, my best friend, and my biggest supporter. My mother's smile gives me strength and happiness. I want to make her proud one day. I pray to God to keep my mother healthy and happy forever. I love my mother more than anything in this world. Thank you for listening to my presentation about my loving mother. Assalamu alaikum.